Hello, everybody. Welcome to the AI Radio Room. Today, I'm joined with Zoe from Phala Network. How are you doing today?
Very good. Nice to be here. Thank
Good
you for
stuff.
inviting me, and great to be in Austin.
Yeah, it's an exciting time to be here, right?
Yeah.
So, do you mind telling us a little bit more about what you do at Phala Network and kind of what you aim to solve?
Yeah, definitely. So I'm Zoe. Hello, everyone. I'm VP of Growth and partner at Phala Network. Phala is a decentralized confidential compute cloud. And my responsibilities are on the growth side. So talking a lot to partners, finding the right people to use our cloud. Also, of course, talking to developers to build on our technology. So a lot of outgoing activities that I'm doing, speaking on stages and just making the product great. Phala is launched on Polkadot. So we are very active in the Polkadot ecosystem. However, our technology can be used in EVM as well. But in the Polkadot ecosystem, I'm also a head ambassador. So representing the Polkadot brand, always supporting Phala.
Okay, so you've got a lot on your plate then, I guess, right?
Yeah, I'm wearing a lot of several different hats,
Yeah.
but it's fun.
So maybe talk to us a little bit about your journey. Maybe how did you kind of get to this stage?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, Phala is in the Polkadot ecosystem, and I actually started my crypto journey in 2017, getting interested on Polkadot, because back then I was living in Silicon Valley and a lot of people from Ethereum and Bitcoin community were there. And then a friend said, "Did you hear about Polkadot?" And I was like, wow, this is super innovative. What Polkadot solves, even that Gavin, what the founder of Ethereum, actually wanted to recreate Ethereum and build Polkadot. And this is where I started my journey. And Polkadot is a very, very cool technology, layer 0, as we call it. And through all my activities there, I came across very recently or very early then about Phala Network. I have my background in cybersecurity, so I was always interested in the underlying blockchain technology and how we can actually secure or make data, user data, more private. And Phala is very heavy in the privacy compute layer because we use specific privacy technologies on our cloud. And this is where I got drawn towards, and then joined as a council member, very active in the governance system. And then, directly jumped in and said, okay, let's make this product great, and joined Phala like 3 years ago.
Lovely. Okay, so it seems like Phala has like a big suite of products,
Yep.
right? So how do you kind of work with like the intersection of like AI and Web3 now? Like, so what kind of avenues are you taking in that regard?
Yeah, so Phala is around since 2018. So we have built our decentralized cloud over the years. Just to give some numbers, we have like 30,000 distributed nodes that provide around 200,000 virtual CPU power, secured by trusted execution environments. And of course, as you know, in crypto, it always takes a little bit to find the product market fit. But the cool part is in our technology that we have an off-chain component, and we can provide computation secured like on a blockchain, but with its off-chain scalability. And in the recent year, we actually found a perfect product market fit for AI, because AI agents run off-chain. And we see how can we make them more secure, how we can provide decentralization, and how can we bring also tokenomics, like the benefits of blockchain into AI. And this is where we are focusing on at the moment. Our tagline is AI coprocessor. And we don't build agents specifically, but we provide a lot of frameworks to make these agents decentralized, secure, and monetizing.
Okay, so you've kind of like made a move into AI now, right?
Yeah, we were not built as an AI project, but the cloud can serve a lot of use cases, and we see the most powerful use case in AI at the moment.
Okay, so in terms of market sentiment, maybe, obviously there's a lot of hype around AI now. Do you think that's warranted? So is AI maybe overhyped, underhyped, or maybe like accurately hyped? What's your kind of opinion on that?
Yeah, definitely not overhyped. I mean, even the word hype is actually something that comes and goes, right? So I would say it's a hype in case of like we celebrate it and we are super interested about it. But in terms of a definition of hype, I would not say it's a hype, because it will stay. AI is around much longer than blockchain and crypto. And I'm super, super happy that we finally see the adoption. Our parents use AI, you know? So, and I think it will take some more years until our parents use crypto or blockchain like they use AI at the moment. So it's definitely starting this year. I see a lot of traction also at the conference I'm going to. We see a lot more like AI experts joining the crypto space and bringing these people together on stage to find the best use cases. So it's AI is here to stay, and definitely the intersection between blockchain, crypto, tokenomics, and AI will be very big.
Okay. So in terms of use cases now then, just in your personal everyday life, how do you find yourself using AI just in your work, in your personal life?
Yeah, I think the basic stuff that everyone uses, to optimize your work with
Yep.
ChatGPT and so on. I just came across yesterday at the Forbes dinner, actually, a new product is like these wellness rings
Oh yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
track your sleep and your activities. And this is actually AI powered, meaning that you can use earn tokens or the cryptocurrency by using this ring. And they also use AI in the back end. So this is definitely a physical product that I'm going to buy. Can send you the information later. But this is
Yeah.
super cool, where we also see AI being used in the physical products, not only on the software side. And other than this, I mean, Phala just launched a cool product called Agent Wars, which copies the mechanisms of friend hack. If you're familiar with this, where you create an agent and then can sell or buy keys of this agent. So we decentralize the governance of an agent. And that's a product that I'm using. It's super cool. You can chat with celebrities and interact with them, and you earn money by also owning an agent. And that's a product I'm using on a daily basis as well.
Good stuff. All right. So the next question is maybe why might the average user want to adopt a decentralized model over like existing solutions that are convenient already to a normal user in AI?
I think the end user does not really care about this yet. I mean, we as end users from the crypto space do, but a normal non-Web3 native user, I don't think they really care about this yet. We are very early on the stage to say, hey, why do we need to decentralize it first? But I think once we show the end user that they even can make money by using AI, as they can make money by using crypto products and so on, this is where it will make sense to them. So the decentralization on one part from the Phala perspective brings a lot of security, shared governance and monetization to the agent developers. But I think we need much more promotion to make it useful to the end user, because even crypto doesn't have this adoption yet, right? And we need to see how can we actually make this user journey to use AI with crypto in the back end super smooth. But I think the incentive part and the shared ownership is what the end user will really like.
Okay, good stuff. All right, so some good insights on the AI sector with Web3. Maybe do you want to talk for a couple of minutes as to what you guys have going on in the next few months at Phala Network?
Yeah. So as I just mentioned, Agent Wars is our latest development, and we just launched it. It's like a product demo. I mean, it's live on mainnet, but it's a demo where we showcase how we can bring monetization, tokenomics, plus shared ownership to agents. And all of this is hosted on our confidential compute cloud. Because we have this off-chain part and the blockchain, we can connect agents with the on-chain mechanisms. So this is a super cool product. Maybe we can link it later as well. Agent Wars. It's a public URL. And so this is what we want to push forward. It's connected to the Twitter API at the moment, but we can sell it as a template that you can replicate it to Farcast or any other social platform. But underlying on Agent Wars, we have an AI agent contract. And this contract is actually also like a framework where you can come with your agent, use this framework to then bring the tokenomics from the blockchain, from any blockchain, because we are cross-chain or multi-chain compatible to the multi-agent economy. So that's what we are focusing on. I'm here to close a lot of or look for new partners, whatever they provide, LLMs, agent development, or the decentralized networks to combine all these components. Because I think, we all need to create the pie first to then be able to share it.
Good stuff. Thank you very much for joining us, Zoe, today. We look forward to speaking to you a little bit more in the future.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.